Hey, I'm Chad Avery. I'm just going to go over Canvas for Composite Basics. The home page is here. Announcements here. You can see the syllabus, the different modules, rubric. If we start here, it gives you a quick basic overview of the class. Come down here, push next, how we're going to navigate it. This is the book we're going to use, ISBN number here, Comprehensive Guide to Composites. The assignments are going to be chapters in the book, test your knowledge, also lab assignments. We will go over flat layup, second flat layup, third one. Then we'll get into some radius layups. You can see there you'll have one outside radius, and then outside radius final, check off, inside radius final, multi-radius layup, license plate, one made out of fiberglass, one made out of carbon. Some of the things that we'll be doing during those lab assignments is we'll be doing flat bags, outside radius, pleated bags, multi-pleated bags. We'll be cutting our plies for our flat layups, 6x6, outside radius 7x14, and then we'll be doing some resin wipes on our fiberglass and carbon tools. We come down here, we click next. See this video. You can click here to open the policies, procedures. Next. Tech support. If you're having troubles getting into your Badger Web, to your Canvas, this is where you'll come to get some help to get your password, your usernames, stuff like that. And then it jumps right into the Introduction to Composites, Chapter 1. And then it'll go through the chapters in the book.